Hi guys, welcome to the unboxing and quick review of this RGB Steam Deck docking station. It has a screen switch function, supports the HDMI 2.0 up to 4K and has a 100 watts charging speed. So this is pretty much everything what we can expect. And this is the model type, the AL-ST662. And here's the box with some description. So let's take it out, see what we get. So here we have everything. Comes also with some instructions here. I hope it's focusing so you can read everything nicely. I think that's about it. And so here we have it, nicely protected. Really small, compact device, also some protection here for shiny part. And here we have the USB-C to the deck, and we can see all the outputs, USB-C, HDMI, USB, exactly what we want. And here the monitor switch. Here's also some description underneath. And it comes with 4 soft rubber feet, so it has a very good solid stand. And so let's connect it here to external USB-C power. We can see already the really nice, beautiful RGB color. It's, by the way, much nicer than what you see. The camera has a really hard time to catch all these nice colors, but it's really, really beautiful. Maybe when I hold my hand here, you can imagine the nice colors. Unfortunately, the camera doesn't detect colors here inside, but you can see them here on my hand reflecting really nice, beautiful. And then we connect the HDMI of the external screen. And so I have here everything in the back. I have the external power, I have HDMI, I have even plugged in the receiver of the controller. So we have everything ready. And so it's super easy to add this console here. And you can see it has a really safe stand, absolutely perfect, even though it's not the original Steam Deck, but it has about similar size. It has also USB-C for everything. That's the main thing. So I would say this probably works for everything which has about same size and is using USB-C for everything. And the only thing which we have to do is to connect it here with the USB-C. And so let's turn it on here. Yeah, and so I've installed the AYANEO game console here on this dock. You can see how this works. It's only connected with USB-C here. We have the power here coming from a 100 watts power supply. You can see that here it can deliver up to 100 watts. It's really neat because usually it's pulling around 50 watts, even though I'm not using the power from this docking station. I mean, we could use the power of the docking station for the screen, but it was too much. I mean, as an output we have just 5 volts, maximum 2 amps, which is 10 watts, and this monitor is pulling more than that. So I had to connect the monitor directly with the power supply and not here, but it would be possible if your monitor is consuming only up to 10 watts. And so I have it connected. I put it on the side so you can see it a little bit better again. Everything is working nicely, and you can really put it here. It has safe stand, not only the original Steam Deck but also this AYANEO game console. It's working absolutely awesome also for this console. So I think it works for a lot of gaming consoles as long as they have USB-C and Windows. And I have connected even this game controller here, and I've connected the HDMI here into this monitor. And so I put it one more time on the side here so you can see this button here in the back, and here you can see there is nothing on the screen. When I push here, it will switch then a couple of seconds later to this screen back, and there's nothing then on the screen anymore. And when I push again, it will switch back. Of course, you can configure that in the Windows, that you can also use both screens at the same time. It's possible. And so you can see I can play here really nicely on this AYANEO gaming console. Here I'm playing Wreckfest. Of course, it's a little bit difficult to talk and play, but I can play on this console on this large monitor using the Xbox controller and the dongle which I've plugged in, and of course the most important part, the Steam Deck docking station, which connects everything nicely. Yeah, stop this here, but definitely works, so I can highly recommend it. And so if you're interested, I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description, so you can check it out and order it right from there if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.